Hello everyone, with you Dr. Demchenko, and I will tell you how to properly crack the thoracic spine and why it is necessary. Many people have a habit of cracking their bones and spine. The clicks we can cause in our fingers are completely safe and harmless. And this was proven by one of the people who cracked his fingers on one hand for 50 years and did not crack on the other for 50 years. After this, they conducted a study and there were no changes in the joints. The crack in the vertebrae is a slightly different story. If you crack your neck or lower back too often, instability may develop there. And therefore, frequent cracks in the neck and lumbar spine are not very beneficial. They are only beneficial if performed by a specially trained manual therapist and all safety rules are observed. Today, I will show you how to crack the thoracic spine, where it is safe and brings relief. Why does it bring relief? The thing is, if you make a click in the thoracic spine, where it is always tight and never unravels any instability, a neurological effect occurs that relaxes the paravertebral musculature, that is, the musculature that is on both sides of the spine, reflexively for some time. And if you do this at least once or twice a day, you can improve the feeling in the thoracic spine. So how can this be done? Stand in such a way that your feet are shoulder width apart and bring your hands to the level of the thoracic spine. Let's start from the bottom first. Now the most important thing to tweak the vertebrae is to properly set up the body. To do this, slightly lower your head down, hunch over, and relax. Next, take a breath, and on the exhale, we make a tension movement of the bicep. That is a slightly up and forward. You can also rise slightly on your toes simultaneously. At the same time, you may hear a crunch in several vertebrae. The movement should be strong enough. It doesn't necessarily have to be sharp. At the same time, we lower our head down, slightly stand on our toes and push forward and up with our hands. Next, move your hands as much as you can raise them. You can also perform this technique on a stool with a backrest. The principle of manipulation is the same. Only instead of hands, we will use the backrest of the stool. Lean on the backrest of the stool in such a way as to slightly bend over it. The palms go up, the head down, inhale and exhale, and on relaxation, lower the palms. Try to lower them a little lower. If we want to work at a lower level, we will need an additional pillow so that the spine falls into a different place of the chest department. Also, besides the chest, you can simply improve the mobility of the chest department. For this, tuck your hands behind your neck and make smooth rolls on the backrest of the stool. This manipulation will allow to free up movement in the chest department, relax the muscles, and improve the condition of the spine. You can perform this procedure a couple of times a day without any harm to your health. There should be no pain during the execution of these procedures. There should also be no unpleasant sensations. If you are experiencing pain or unpleasant sensations, it's better to go to a manual therapist and see what the cause is. Good health and well-being to all. See you later.